Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. So to begin with, let me quickly launch the app. Then once the app gets loaded at the starting page or at the meetings section over here, if we're talking in this little bottom sections term. Once it is opened, go for the schedule option at the top. Then schedule the meeting. Choose a date for it. How long will it last? Set the time frames, time zone. Choose whether you would like for this meeting to be repeated and schedule it for, let's say, every other week or every day, whatever fits you best. Then choose whether you decide to use the personal meeting ID, whether this meeting will require the passcode to join. Also, if you want for this meeting to have the waiting room, meeting options, and what's not. So once you're ready to finally schedule this little conference call, once all the options and preferences were successfully personalized, just tap, you can also name it, of course, over here at the very top field. So once everything is ready, just tap on the done option at the top right corner like so, and the meeting will be successfully scheduled. You can also add it to the calendar if you want to, of course. So here we have our meeting, which will automatically start at the 17:00 over 5 p.m. Already, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.